Hello and welcome back to this course of Java. Today we are going to start our new section in which we learn about the loops. Loops in Java or any other programming language is used for the execution of a set of instructions or functions repeatedly until some condition is true. Means if we want to repeat a statement for a number of times, then we use loops. Now there are three types of loops in Java. One is do while, for, and the fourth one is enhanced for loop, which is just like the for loop, and we will discuss all these loops in our different videos. For this video, I am only going to focus on the while loop. A while loop is a statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given condition. A while loop is written by using while keyword. Now look at its syntax. First of all, we have to write the while keyword, and then in the parentheses we have to give our condition, and after that we have to start the body of the while loop with two curly braces, and within two curly braces we have to write the statements for this while loop. If that condition is true, then the statement is going to execute, and the statement will execute until that condition is true. If the condition becomes false, then it moves out of the while block. Now look at this example. I have created a one integer variable a and I initialize it with 1. Now while a is less than equal to 10, print this block. At first the value of a is 1, so 1 is less than equal to 10, so it comes inside the body of the while loop and print Java is everywhere. Then it increment 1 in a and now a becomes 2. Now it come back to the condition and check 2 is less than equal to 10, yes 2 is less than equal to 10. So it again come in the body of the while loop and print Java is everywhere on the screen. Now again it increment a with 1 and now the value of a becomes 3. It come back to the condition and check 3 is less than equal to 10. Yes, 3 is less than equal to 10, so it come again inside the body of the while loop and print Java is everywhere. And this process will continue. And when the value of a becomes 11, now 11 is not less than equal to 10, so the condition is false, so it breaks the loop and come outside from the body of the loop. So problem, write a program that prints all even number in a given range. So let's create this program on our NetBeans IDE. So here in NetBeans I am going to print first statement that system.out.println enter a number. Now first of all I import the scanner class. In my file I type here java.util.scanner and create an object of scanner class here. Scanner s1 equals to new scanner and system.in. Now int num equals to s1 dot next int. Now I got the number till I have to print the even numbers. So here I create another variable int I equals to 1, and while I is less than equals to num, execute these statements. So inside the body of the while loop I type here if I modulus 2 equals to 0, then print that number. System.out.println I, and at the end I increment 1 in I, and now if I run this program you will see a message enter a number. I type here 10. You see 2, 4, 8 and 10 printed on this screen. So if you want to print these numbers in a line, so you can change the method to print. Now if I run this program, I type here 10 and you see all the numbers are in line. You see there is no space in them, so I add a space plus and put a little space in them. And now if I run this program and type here 10, you will see 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 in a single line. So in this way you can print all the even numbers in a given range. So what is the logic behind it? So first of all I have typed a statement that enter a number, then I have created a object of scanner class to take input from the user. I stored that number in the num integer variable, and I have created a variable int I to start my loop from 1. So while I is less than equal to num. For an example, if user enter 10, num is equal to 10. Now at first I is equal to 1 and 1 is less than equal to 10. So the control come inside the loop and check if I modulus 2 equals to 0 and 1 modulus 2 is not equal to 0, so it don't print 1 on the screen. It increment I with 1 and go back to the condition. Now 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, 2 is less than equal to 10. It come inside the body of the while loop and divide 2 by 2. And now remainder is 0. So 0 equals to 0. It print 2 on the screen. Now the value of the I is again incremented by 1. Now the value of I is 3. Now 3 is less than equal to 10. It come inside the body of the while loop and divide 3 by 2. Now this time remainder is 1. So 1 is not equal to 0. So it is not going to print 3 on the screen. Again it increment I with 1 and now the value of I is 4. And 4 is less than equal to 10. Now 4 modulus 2 and we get the remainder 0. Now 0 is equal to 0, so it prints 4 on the screen. In this way, all the numbers within a given range is printed on the screen. I hope you understand the logic of the while loop, that how it works and how we can create our programs using the while loop. We can repeat our statement for a number of times using a loop. Now remember 3 steps in a while loop. First of all, you have to create a variable that initialize the loop. So loop start from 1 and then you have to give the condition. And after condition in the body of the while loop, you have to increment or decrement the variable to start the loop or to change the value in the condition. So in this way the while loop works. I hope you understand. That's it for this video. I will see you in next video.